To set up Alipay as a foreigner, you can start by downloading the Alipay app from the App Store or Play Store. Once you've opened the app, you'll be taken to a registration screen where you'll need to select your region. After that, enter your mobile number and tap Next to proceed with the registration process. You'll then be directed to the home page, where you'll see an Add Now option in the center of the screen. Tap on this and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. This will involve entering your international credit card details, including the card number, expiry date, and security code, which will need to be verified. You'll also be asked to set an Alipay password. Once your card has been verified and added, you can start using Alipay to make payments by scanning a QR code, entering the amount, and confirming with your password. This simple process allows you to use Alipay as a foreigner in mainland China, making it easy to pay for things by adding your international card to the app.